Stronger together. In the village of Anandpur, there lived a group of children who loved playing sports together. They were part of a small school team that participated in the annual village sports day. However, despite their enthusiasm, they had never managed to win. They were always close, but something always held them back. One day, their teacher, Mrs. Sharma, noticed their sadness as they returned from practice. "What's wrong, children?" she asked gently. "We just can't seem to win, no matter how hard we try." "We're not as good as the other teams," said Ravi, the team's captain. Mrs. Sharma smiled and sat down with them. "Do you know what makes a team truly strong?" The children shook their heads. "A team isn't just about how fast you run or how far you can throw. It's about how you support each other. The saying goes, stronger together. A single person might be strong, but a team that works together is much stronger." She then asked them to practice a new way, not by focusing on their own strengths but by helping each other improve. "You must learn to play not just for yourselves, but for your teammates too. Your success is their success." The next day, they began their practice. Ravi, who was a fast runner, saw that Nisha, who wasn't as quick, was feeling discouraged. Instead of rushing ahead, Ravi slowed down and ran alongside Nisha, offering words of encouragement. "You're doing great, Nisha. Let's run together." Nisha smiled and pushed herself harder. "I'll try my best," she said. Meanwhile, Mohan, who was good at the long jump, noticed that Priya was struggling with her timing. He stepped in and gave her tips, showing her how to adjust her stance and timing to improve her jump. "We're a team, Priya. Let's do this together," he said. As the days went by, the children started noticing something amazing. They weren't just improving individually, but as a team. They helped each other practice their strengths, shared advice, and cheered each other on when they made mistakes. Slowly, they started to feel more confident, and their teamwork made them much stronger. Finally, the day of the sports competition arrived. The air was filled with excitement as teams from nearby villages gathered to compete. The children of Anandpur school stood together, ready for the challenge ahead. They had learned that it wasn't about winning each event individually, but about supporting one another through the highs and lows. During the relay race, Ravi was the fastest runner, but his teammates cheered for him as he passed the baton, reminding him that the race was for the whole team. In the long jump event, Mohan and Priya helped each other to measure their jumps and improve their techniques. Everyone played their part, from the smallest to the oldest. When the final scores were announced, the children of Anandpur school had won the most points. But what made them happiest wasn't the victory, it was the realization that they had become a real team, united and strong together. Mrs. Sharma smiled proudly as she looked at them. "You did it, children. You showed that when you support each other, you are always stronger together." Moral of the story: stronger together means that a group of people can achieve greater things when they work together and support each other. Teamwork and unity are the keys to overcoming challenges and achieving success.